Hey guys, today we have something fun. Strophe or Strophe, whatever you want to call it. It's one of those kind of AI, but they don't claim to be AI, music maker online. And it works by generating tracks that you could either modify and edit yourself and customize the music to your liking, or you can let it do auto-generate and you can hit and regenerate on the same genre a different track. All the tracks from Strophe, amazingly enough, are copyright free. So, for your next YouTube video, if you don't want to go and make your own music like I do most of the time, I don't actually use Strophe for my background music because I like to use my own. You can just go to this website and it's browser based, as you see here. It's on my browser. So, you don't need to download anything. And you have these things here when you log into the website. That's the landing page. And you can select the mood. Spooky, sad, chill, happy, or spirited. Well, let's go with happy. And we're going to do it auto this time. Then we're going to customize next one. You hit create and it'll take probably 30-40 seconds most of the time to generate an entire music track for you to use on your, whether it be YouTube videos or mood music or whatever you want to use it for, it will do just that. And as I said, yes, they are copyright free, so you can use them everywhere you want. But the only catch here, I think, is that you have to pay to download or you get some kind of credits. We're going to try here in a minute how that works and what the requirements are for the payment part, or can we just download a few of them as within the credits, because I think they give you initially some for free. And here we go. This is the track that this page generated for us, right? Here are the instruments, square wave, electric piano, and by the way, you can click and change the instruments to whatever you want, huh? It's not locked to anything. You can change the instrument, and the AI or the tool they use here on the site makes it possible to synchronize with the tune. And let's listen to what it generated so far. That's just one of the versions. It kind of gives me some of that 8-bit vibes. I don't know about you, but it's giving me those 8-bit vibes. And let me re-roll. You can create another song based on that mood that you selected. Hit create and just give it that 30-40 seconds again. And it will remake an entirely new track based on that genre that you selected at the beginning. And then we're gonna try to hit download and see what's the deal with the downloads, whether we can get a few for free or we need to pay something to get some music for our background on our videos. And it's already loading the track, and here's our brand new track. Now let's hit play. Actually, this sounds really nice with that kind of samba or rumba, whatever you call that, in the background. This track I actually like. Say what you want, I like this track. For background video in that mood that we selected, this is just great. And now let's get to the fun part. Let's download track, own this track forever, use it however you want, create unlimited tracks, become a Strophe premium member. But what if I don't become a premium member? For example, can I get something for free? Tell me more. I have current plans. Show by creating an unlimited music compositions and a 20 unlimited number of track, easily share it with others. Oh, so if you do a $3, $2.99 a month annually, you get 50 tracks per month, high quality obviously, and compose your own loops. And if you get the Pro annually, you get all the features that are mentioned previously, and You can own and download 300 tracks per month. Download lossless high fidelity wave audio, early access to newest features. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. Let me see. If I hit free trial and requires me to put a credit card. But no, I'm not going to put a credit card because I make my own music. But as I said, it's just one of those things that if you want to make music that you need, you have to have music on a video background or for commercial use or all that and own the track, I think it's worth it. For simple music, by the way. Very simplistic music. That's not something that are going to say, oh yeah, the dance floor is going to go crazy on my track. That's not going to happen. But for basic background video music, I think this just does the job. And the price is not that bad. Let me click on this track and see what it made this time. This reminds me a lot of the Sega games that used to be. That's the kind of background. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad at all. It's not the cheapest because it's not free, but I think it's good. Okay, fourth. And let me change the grand piano to... Let me see what they have here. Electric, clavinet, accordion. Let me put it in accordion and see where that goes with a trumpet. Okay, let me click play now. Or, no, we have to wait because it's regenerating this one. And yes, it is accordion. I think it generated already. No, that doesn't go well at all. Okay, let's go with Hammond organ. The oldies. Let's see. Let's wait for it to generate it. Okay, Hammond organ is now loaded. And let's play the track. I think it's good, actually. I think it's good. And the only thing I would say here is that, yeah, it's not free. It's not free, so that's not gonna be that easy to just get whatever you want without paying the monthly fee. But you can train yourself, I would say. It's a great tool to try to train your ear and your knowledge of instruments on this tool here. If you don't want to pay. So you could do that and you could generate unlimited tracks for free, but you cannot download them. That's the only kind of holdback. And yeah, that's the history of what we just did here. And I think it is a valuable tool. If you don't want to make your own music or don't know how to or don't have the means to make your own music, I think this is a tool that's worth it especially if you do commercial. Or if you're a YouTuber that has some kind of revenue coming in and you can spare $3 to $7 a month, you can get tracks here and get it going. And with that said, I hope you learned something from this video and I hope you hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!